If organizing does not come super easy to you, you are not alone. If you have ever struggled with one of those days where you are too tired, you don't have the energy, you don't even have the oomph to focus enough to get something done, then today's video is for you. Hello, I'm Noreen Burke. This is The Crafty Organizer, where I love bringing you ideas on organizing, decluttering, doing upcycles, DIYs, and as the name suggests, anything crafty. I have been going through some things in life lately that have got me just beaten down. There's no way around it. I want to be a positive force for you guys, but I'm struggling. And I was walking through my house, and every time I try and get a little bit of energy to do something, I hit a wall, and I end up just sitting down and taking those few minutes to just refocus on myself to get through the next difficult day. But this means that as of today, January 23rd, I still have Christmas stuff out. I shoved it in my room, which was a huge improvement over having it out throughout my house, but I have never had Christmas stuff out this long. And having it in my room is not helping my mental state at all. I go to bed each night and my last thought is, look at all the things lying around you that you have not gotten done. So I've talked many times about ways to approach this. There's so many different methods. Setting a timer is one of my favorites, and if you are not the type that works well with timers because it gives you any type of anxiety to have that deadline looming, set out some songs that you like, but set a short amount of time so that you can just get done what you can in that predefined time. So that's what we're doing today. Now, as much as I like suggesting that you take your time to organize and go through the keep, store, donate, throw out, this wasn't going to help me right now. I needed to get down and dirty and just get it done. So I'm using my tried and true method of just setting a timer. So I was using a stopwatch on this because I had a set time in my head that I was going to aim for, but I wanted to see how long it would really take me. I set 30 minutes in my mind to get rid of all of this stuff. Now, this is fast forwarded, and I cut out all of the times that I went through the house, went outside, went to my garage, climbed the ladder, came back. So this is just coming in and out. And I am also not doing a thorough job of packing this stuff up. I know I'm going to be angry at myself next Christmas when I pull this out, but right now I'm taking care of my mental health and my right now me, and future me will just have to deal with what I could handle today. I had all of these leftover boxes that I was going to keep to do a craft because you know I love upcycling things, but right now this also isn't helping my mental health to have these lying around, so I'm getting rid of them. I can get boxes again, even though some of these were really cool because they were all the same size. I can find boxes like this again. So I'm going to do what's best for me right now and just let these go. So as I'm grabbing these last few things, as a professional organizer, you would think that I have this pristine place where all of this belongs. Well, I wish I could say yes. Where it's going is up in the loft of my garage, but because I am not organizing this and putting it away properly, I am doing the best that I can with this moment and just shoving it all up. And I'm telling you this because I want you to know sometimes the right way isn't possible, but just getting it done so that you can survive in your space and improve your outlook on a day-to-day basis is more important than getting it done perfectly and right. Please hear that because I've said this many times. Getting it done partially or even imperfectly is better than not getting it done at all. So as I am hoisting this last box into the rafter right now, when I come back into my room, I've got a space that I can enjoy again. And even though I thought this was probably going to take me about 30 minutes, guess how long it actually took me? 16 minutes and 58 seconds, 17 minutes to get this done. Now I can go into my room and relax in it. Now, is my garage perfect? No! I need to address all of this, and I will, later, when I can. I will make my garage perfect again. I will reorganize. My work area definitely needs to be done. I took down the Christmas stuff today just so I can film. But I did the best that I could, and I already feel better just by doing that tiny bit. So when you're feeling like you're up against a wall and the things around you are just crumbling, if you have the energy, set that timer, focus on one small area, and just see what you can get done. You really might surprise yourself. Now, if you've stayed till the end, I do want to share some exciting news. After 25 days of being in the hospital, I finally get to bring this guy home today. I'm really excited. We're not over with this journey. I'm probably going to be staying with him for about the next 10 to 15 days. So your prayers, your kind words of encouragement, your shared stories have all been very appreciative. If you're not sure what's going on, please watch my last video. I shared a lot more. But I am still going to be trying to do videos when I can. Just please know that I'm stretched very thin right now, and I'm just doing my best, and I want to share that journey so that when you feel that way, you know you're not alone, and you're not, and I know I'm not either, and I really appreciate all of you being there for me, and I hope I can be a cheerleader for you as well. So thank you. Thank you for watching today. Please watch some of my old videos to help support me, since I'm definitely not on the normal video routine, and I will see you guys just as soon as I can. Bye.